Right, so check it out. Craftersmark. One-on-one cutout, your easy bracket installation. All right, so apparently this is some kind of a bracket installation. Let's see what it is. Floating bracket shelf. Huh. Oh, I see what it is. So you put it on the wall and these things stick out, and then you can hang shit on them. Like that. Oh, I'm gonna put that. Oh, that's gonna be good. Yeah, I'll be able to use that. And I think we got extra thingamaboobs. Let's see that. What's this? This is, I don't know what this is. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's some kind of, oh, it's a drill head. Nice. Let's get it out of its package. Oh, there we go. Now you can see it better. Let's dump her out. All right, so they give you this so you can drill the exact diameter of these things. It follows me? So I could drill that, a hole into that, into the wall, and then that'll be the exact size of it. So let's set that there. You may need to keep that. Oh, look at these anchors. Ooh, I got more anchors and screws. God, I love that. And more screws. All right, so we got the screws, anchors, and deep anchors. And then, there's two of these. Well, then we got this. And then, is there anything else? Wait a minute, what's this? All right, so this is some type of a thing that you put on the, behind it, maybe like this, right? And that goes like that, possibly? Yeah, all right, I get it. Okay, I see that. So let's set that right there. And then what's this? What the heck is this? Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, that's spinning around. Look at that. What in the heck is going on here? I got this giant drill. Wow, that's nice. So anyway, we can do, I guess we can drill this size hole. I got this bit, and I got this drill. They're not fooling around. They want you to drill some holes and put these things on the wall. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, I guess. Right there, bam. All right, this is everything that comes in this box. This gigantic drill bit. Look at that thing. It's a monster. This smaller drill bit, the case that the drill bit comes in, you get this outside thing. You get one of these here. This will fit in here like that. So you've got like a thing around it. And you got this one, so you got two of these. And then you got this one right here. So yeah, that's interesting. They give you all these anchors, and you got some screws, Phillips head. And then these anchors, which are Phillips head anchors. And then they give you these 5 little itty bitty screws. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. We just got to figure out where we're gonna put it and what we're gonna put on it. Yep. So these are supposed to slip over a larger piece of wood. So you've got a shelf about this big. You drill the hole with this by putting this on the back of the wood. And then this is your template for it. And you drill the hole like right here and right here, and then you put this on the wall with the anchors, and then you slide your wood doohickeys right over it, and then you have this nice, seamless, strong, shelf. Yeah, but they didn't give us any wood with it, so I don't know. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my video where I put this on the wall. Peace out.